Sup, we're back in another video, guys. Here's the garbage truck right now. As you can see, it's an all-white old chef garbage truck, ex-chef garbage truck, owned by Public Services, older Public Services garbage truck. Here he comes. And yeah, the old chef company garbage truck at about 4:30, almost 5 o'clock right now. Here he comes. There you go. Here he comes right now. There you go. Comes right now, guys. Here he comes. Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos of this. I'll see you on part 2. Starting right now. Bye.